right, here we are at Fort Saskatchewan on the North Saskatchewan River with Spencer and Dave. So, Dave, tell us about your experience with Gibbons.
Oh, sorry, do you want him to ask that, or was Spencer?
I think he's doing so damn good, actually. Oh, yeah. I love it. Spencer Remple here for Gibbons Motor Toys. We're out on a on-the-water delivery here in a 1775 on the North Saskatchewan River, and I'm here with my good friend Dave, who's just bought this beautiful boat, and we're having a lesson on how it runs and making sure that everything works perfectly to his satisfaction before he takes her home. So I thought I'd take this opportunity, maybe Dave would tell us just a little bit in his own words. Dave, how was your experience here with Gibbons Motor Toys?
I've been searching for jet boats for the last 2 years. I first was looking for a jet extension onto my Yamaha 115, and I was researching the web for all the boats that are out there, and I came upon Spencer's videos, and I seen the Extreme jet boat, and I could imagine all the places on the Churchill River I could go up without having to hit a rock or worry about hitting a rock, and this boat did everything on the video that I could not imagine it could do. Came down all the way from Flin Flon, 10 hours away, to come do a deal. And Spencer and his group has been wonderful to deal with, and here we are on the river, and he's showing us how it works, and it was better than I could imagine. It's been wonderful. Thank you.
Hey, well, there goes another satisfied customer from Gibbons Motor Toys. Thanks for watching.
Never had too much fun. Give me the reins and let me run, 'cause I ain't never had too much